What if I told you that you could start earning online today without building a single website, without paying for ads, and without investing a single dollar? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stay with me, because in this video, I will show you exactly how you can turn the traffic you already have from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, or even if you are just starting out, into real money using a powerful tool called Monetag SmartLink. So stay with me throughout this video. This video is for anyone who is already driving traffic from their social media networks, or anyone who wants to learn how to monetize their audience and start earning online the smart way. Whether you run meme pages, post content on TikTok, or even share blog articles on Facebook, or you just love tweeting, or like we call it these days, X, Monetag SmartLink can help you to start making money on autopilot. And here is the best part. You don't need a website. You don't need a big budget. You don't need to be tech savvy. All you need is one link, the Monetag SmartLink, for you to get started. Now, let's look at what exactly is Monetag SmartLink. A smart link is a single URL, a single web link, a single website that automatically shows the best, most relevant ad to every user who clicks it. That means if someone in Nigeria clicks it, they will see ads targeted for their country. If someone in the US clicks it, they will see something completely different, something relevant to them. And every time someone interacts, you get paid. Now, you'll be asking, there are lots of other companies that already offer smart links. Why is Monetag different? Well, let me tell you. Monetag have been in the game for years, and they pay competitive CPMs, so you earn more. They have ads for every geo, that's every location and every place on the continent, on the planet, meaning your audience is never wasted. And payouts are fast, starting from just $5. And if you get stuck, they've got 24/7 support ready to help. So how do you get Monetag SmartLink? Here's a step-by-step guide. Getting started is ridiculously easy. Let me show you how. Step 1. Go to monetag.com and click sign up. Step 2. Fill in your details. This part is super important. Make sure you use your real information, because if you don't, you won't be able to withdraw your money later. Once you're registered, you will get access to the dashboard, and that's where the magic happens. In the dashboard, here are the main tabs you will want to check out. First, direct link. This is your Monetag SmartLink. You copy it and it's ready to start making you money. Now, you check out statistics. Here, you can see your CPMs, track your earnings, your impressions, and see how you're doing in different countries, or traffic sources, how they are all performing. And then you check out the referral program. Here, you will get your own referral link, and you will earn 50% of what you, 5% of what your referrals make for life. Then we have payment methods. And under payment method, you're going to see that Monetag supports multiple ways for you to get paid. And the best part, you can withdraw as soon as you hit just $5. Look at the options here, your payment options here. So what to do with your SmartLink next? So now that you have your SmartLink, what do you do with it? Here are some simple and proven methods. And the SmartLink, add the SmartLink to a button or banner on your blog or landing page. Drop it into your Instagram bio, Facebook post, or even a tweet. You can recommend an article and place the SmartLink as a read more button. The process is simple. A user clicks your SmartLink and they land on a relevant ad that fits their profile. You get paid. That's it. No complicated setup. No coding, no waiting for months to see results. And so many people are already using Monetag SmartLink successfully. You can click the link in the description below to see case studies and to see that this model actually works. I will leave other links as well so that you can check this platform out and check them out to show you that this is real. So, if you've been looking for a way to monetize your social traffic without wasting time or without waiting to reach a particular threshold, 1,000, 5,000 impressions, all of those things, Monetag SmartLink is hands down one of the easiest ways to get started. Fast payout, global reach, and zero investment needed. Just your creativity and traffic. Don't wait. Sign up today at monetag.com, grab your SmartLink, and start earning from the clicks you are already getting. Trust me, you will wish you started sooner. See you in the description.